Hi friends, welcome to VVSM Academy. This is situated in Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. It is already giving importance to the coaching classes for IAS, IPS, ICS, IAS, IRS, STA, FDA, 10th class SSLC, PUC, degree classes and VVSM academic classes starts from 1st March 2021. At present, we are dealing some examination question papers revision for the 10th standard students and PUC and degree students. Now, let us start our objective type questions. Welcoming again. This is question number 3. One important preservation is to preserve the dash we inherited. Question relates to ecology and biodiversity. This is the question. What is biodiversity, my dear friends? Let's have a brief outlook on biodiversity, which is used to describe the overwhelming diversity on Earth. The blue planet Earth, our planet Earth, is the unique planet in the solar system, has got its own biodiversity. It can be used for more specially and specifically to refer to all the species in an area or the ecosystem. Biodiversity refers to almost every organism, including plants, bacteria, animals, and humans, of different taxonomical classification of animal kingdom and plant kingdom as a whole. Well, friends, the intertidal zone, due to the influence of the land and area, the intertidal zone contains a rich assemblage of biodiversity and is highly productive. This is nothing but the biodiversity of the land and sea, upland and the subtidal lowland, mean lower low water, zero tidal in the bottom of the sea, and intertidal surface of the sea and the upland. So biodiversity refers to the different species and ecosystems have co-evolved over thousands of years and the complex ecological processes that bind them together and sustain them collectively. Well, friends, plant community and animal community leads to the study of biotic community, which finally with the ecosystem. Climate and soil, climate plus soil and habitat are the very important things and which results in the formation of its own ecosystem. All the components of the ecosystem are located in a close relationship and in the interdependence to each other. That means plant community and animal community are interdependent to each other. The biotic community and the habitats also interdependent to each other. All the things which are coming in the ecosystem are interdependent ecosystem. See, sun, air, water, soil are the important things in the construction of ecosystem, where producers and consumers and decomposers, the consumers, herbivores and carnivorous animals and plants, and omnivorous are in the nature of both herbivorous and carnivorous, having both the natures, intermediate nature of omnivorous, and the decomposers. Finally, the sun, air, water, and soil are the important materials which acts as a predominant role in the ecosystem construction. Biodiversity characteristics. Come on, friends, let us have a brief discussion about the characteristics of the biodiversity. The important characteristics are the composition, structure, and function. The biodiversity characteristics are purely depends upon the composition, structure, and function. What is composition? What it tells about? Just it describes the parts of each biodiversity unit in a given area. That is habitat type, species present, genetic populations, within species. Second one is the structure, refers to the physical properties that support that combination. Habitat size, forest, canopy, structure, biomes, and all. Habitat. You know this habitat size of forest, for example, biomes, for example, and the ecosystem is purely depends upon the structure and function. What the function means? The ecological and evolutionary process that affect life within the structure. Natural disturbances, volcanoes eruption, then even the so-called tempests, tsunamis, etc. Predator-prey relationships, species adaptation over time, impacts in the biodiversity of human activities such as urban development, resource extraction, construction of transport corridors, and pollution and climate impacts of greenhouse gas. You know, my dear effects, greenhouse gases are very important in the environmental and ecological factors. The greenhouse gas emission accelerates species extinction and reduces ecosystem productivity. This threatens the loss of economic and social benefits that biodiversity produces. You know, my dear friends, the biodiversity acts as a predominant role in ecology, in the biological sciences. So, Karnataka State Syllabus SLC Science Model Question Paper. 4 alternatives are provided for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the most appropriate alternative and write with its alphabet. Total 8 questions will be there. Each question carry 1 mark, which is an objective type question. Now question number 3. One important preservation is to preserve the dash we inherited. Which will the correct answer? We have to select A, B, C, D. A is ecosystem, B is biodiversity, C is environmental, D is universal. Our answer is, with the help of the tips I have given to you, answer is B, that is biodiversity. Pardon for the spelling mistakes in the slides. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, our radio, this VBSM Academy videos, please like, share and subscribe. And please press the bell icon, my dear friends. You can see many more YouTubes and our science and mathematics series will come. You can see and learn. Knowledge is power, my dear friends. Learning is from womb to the tomb. You can learn more and more from VBSM Academy. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya. Cell number, contact number 9663828848, Kalyana Nagar, Bangalore. Thank you. See you tonight.